Hi everybody. I am Sandeep Gate. Today we firstly revise what we have done in last lecture. In last lecture we have defined equal sets. The definition of equal set is two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly same elements and we write it as A is equal to B. Otherwise, the sets are unequal. Okay. Now consider the example. Let A be set of prime numbers less than 6. Numbers less than 6. And P be a set of prime factors of 30. Okay, factors means we can say divisors of 30. Okay, now in answer we have first find set A. Now here A is equal to, what is set A? Set of prime numbers less than 6. Prime numbers less than 6 are, first prime number is 2, next 3, 5. Okay, you know the definition of prime number. What is prime number? If not, this is definition. Prime number is a natural number. We denote it by P greater than 1. P greater than 1 is prime number if it is not product of two smaller natural number. Okay, or in simple way we can be say that which are the numbers which are divisible by 1 or itself. 1 and or not, or not. 1 and itself is known as prime number. Okay, these both are definitions of prime number. Most important condition is P should be greater than 1. Okay, now A be a set of prime numbers less than 6. So first prime number is 2, which is divisible by 1 and itself 2. 3 is also prime number because it is divisible by 1 and itself 3. Here 4 is not prime number because 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So which is less than 4 and 2 natural numbers. Okay, 2 and 2. So it is not, because, and also 4 is divisible by 2 also. So it is not a prime number. Okay, so 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers less than 6. Next set P, which I have to define is, now we have to first find divisors of 30 or factors of 30. Factors of 30 are, we define it by capital F to the base 30. Factors of 30 are F to the base 30 is equal to, which are divisors? 1 can be divided 30, 2 is divisor of 30, 3, 2 15s are 30, so 2 is divisor, 3 is divisor, next 5 is divisor, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Itself is also a divisor of itself. So these are whole elements are divisors of 30. Now in that we have to find prime, which is denoted by P. Okay, 1 is not a prime number. Okay, so prime numbers prime numbers are always start from 2. 2 is smallest prime number. So first prime is in this is 2, next it is 3, next it is 5, next 6 is not prime because its divisors are 2, 3, okay, so it is not prime. 10 is not prime, 15 is not prime, 30 is not prime. So we get 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so we write, so we have written P is equal to 2, 3 and 5. Okay, now this both two sets, A is equal to P. A is equal to P, or we write it here, A is equal to P. Both are same set. Okay, so it satisfies the definition of equal set, because in set A there is 2, 3 and 5 element. Okay, and in set P also there is 2, 3 and 5. Next, consider example number 2. A is equal to 2, 3. B is equal to x such that x is solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, here in set A, two elements are given which are 2 and 3, and B is given in a set builder form. Okay, therefore we have to first find the solution of this equation. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, which is quadratic equation. 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now factor of 6, which gives plus 5. Okay, now factors of 6, 2 3s are, it is 6, and its addition is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so it can be written as x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, which gives x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3. Okay, so B is equal to, so we get set B is equal to, here it is defined that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we get two solutions, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, set B is equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, now we have to check whether A and B are equal or not. Here A is equal to 2, 3. Okay, set A is equal to, and B contains minus 2 and minus 3, which 2 and minus 2 are not equal, 3 and minus 3 are not equal. So here set A is not equal to set B. Okay, A is not equal to B. Now consider next example number 3. A is equal to x such that x is a letter in word follow, and B is equal to set y such that y is a letter in word wolf. Okay, now A can be written as, in solution, A is equal to, x is a letter in the word follow, FOLLOW. Okay, consider it as capital all. So letters in a set A, first letter is F, next it is O, next it is L, again it is L. We do not repeat an element in a set, so it is written L, so we don't write again it. O is also here, and last it is W. Okay, now similarly for a set B, Y is a letter in the word wolf, so first W, second it is O, next it is L, and last it is F. Now in set A, F is there. In set B also F is present. O in both set it is present. L is present in both set, and W is also present in both sets, and both set contains 4 elements. So here by observation we can say that A is equal to B, because both set contains a same elements. Okay.